Morning guys, I'm back in Joburg, but very briefly. I came in last night and we're going to be heading out again today, but we're going to be taking a different vehicle. We're going to be taking the new Defender, which is quite exciting, and we're doing a photo shoot for Jaguar Land Rover South Africa. Well, it looks really cool. Let's see what it's capable of. So we're on our way north, we're on the N1, heading up to Limpopo, which is pretty cool. I love this highway, especially love it because it runs the entire length of the country. It runs from Cape Town all the way up to Bridge in Zimbabwe. So it's pretty cool. We're going to be taking it right to the extreme, as far up Africa as we can go during the lockdown because the borders are still closed. Really cool terrain up there. We've got about a 5-hour journey now. The car's very comfortable, basically drives itself. It's a hell of a lot faster than the old Defenders, I can tell you that much for sure. I've actually started using cruise control because otherwise I keep on speeding by mistake. And obviously being a Land Rover South Africa press car, it's fully monitored by them, so can't do any speeding unfortunately. One thing about this trip that is very different to the trips that we've been doing is that I have swapped Bianca for Tony. Tony used to be my assistant and then he disappeared to China to study for a while. We've got a really exciting jam-packed 4 or 5 days to go. I'm probably going to have massive bags under my eyes by the end because I don't think I'm going to be sleeping much. Be too careful guys, Corona's real. Ah! So we're here, we're in Limpopo, we're right up in the north of South Africa. It was quite a long drive, but it was really comfortable in the car. The car is brilliant. We got to push it a little bit, feel some of the performance, you know, overtaking trucks in mountain passes and stuff like that. You really get an idea of the power of the straight six. She goes really, really well. It's nothing like the old Defenders. The old Defenders were absolute nightmares to drive on the highway. This is one of my favorite parts of the country. I personally think that the bushveld in this area is the true bushveld. I am biased for this area. We did spend lockdown here, but it really is amazing bush here. It's very desolate, it's dry, and the entire landscape is spotted with these massive baobabs. I mean, they're like these sentinels, and they're thousands of years old. This baobab behind us is probably 2,000 years old. So it's just, there's a presence about this area that I really love. We have a very early start, and then tomorrow we'll really be able to see what this car is capable of, which should be really exciting. Got the shot, last light of day, absolutely beautiful. I'm looking forward to shooting tomorrow morning nice and early as well.
Fun, Tony. That was
getting my assistant to play with the 1.4 million rand car. The new Defender definitely gets my double thumbs up. What an incredible little car. I wish I could afford one.
I did not expect that.
That's amazing. Did you get the shot before you panicked?
No, I got it. Trust, I got it.
The problem with clearing Bakhabiki thorn trees is that they have a tendency of getting you. We have a tree in our path, so like the Defender should, we're going to pull it out of the way. Keep going. So we did 1,500 kilometers in 4 days. Got some pretty incredible shots of the car though. Got it back there just in time, literally in the nick of time. I've got 4 missed calls from Colbert, the guy that's responsible for loading the vehicle onto this truck and getting it to Cape Town by tomorrow. Absolutely love the car. I'm gonna have to start making a lot more money so I can buy one.